Good Monday morning, September the 14th, Braves. These announcements today are brought to you by the letter A, the same letter of your co-cur. Isn't that cool?
That's cool.
All right, so at this time, guys, let's go ahead and stand on up, and we're going to do our pledges, starting with the American flag pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. And now, let's take a moment of silence, please. All right, Braves, again, just to remind you, it is an A day for co-cur today. And so this next announcement that I am going to make, this is really both for teachers and for students. Okay, teachers, I know over the weekend on Brave to Brave, I talked a little bit about this, but I want to make sure that everybody understands the expectation so that, and it's a little different, just so that we are all aware. So, at 3 o'clock on is when we usually do our dismissals, and you will either hear Mrs. McPherson or Mrs. Dickerson or myself announce the dismissals every probably 2 to 3 minutes or so. We actually have classes going on at that time, which is disturbing that class. And so we want to change just so that we can help support the learning environment in those particular classrooms. So, teachers, this is what I need for you guys to be able to write down, remember, put in your cell phone as an alarm because you guys will be watching the clock at a certain time in order to dismiss students, okay? So 5th and 6th grade bus riders, all right, so hear me out here, 5th and 6th grade bus riders at 3:05 is when I would like for those guys to start being dismissed. So if you are in front of a line, teacher, with the bus riders, you will go ahead at 3:05, dismiss out your proper doorway, and then lead them to the buses. So that means 5th and 6th grade are going to be dismissing at the same time because they're using all different doors. Okay? That's at 3:05. At 3:10, teachers, those of you that have the students that are walking, the walkers for 5th and 6th grade, you guys will then walk those students out. Again, at 3:10, both 5th and 6th grade teachers will walk out the walkers, and then at 3:15, we will go ahead and start walking out our car picker-uppers, okay? So at 3:05, at 3:10, and at 3:15 now are going to be the 3 different times that we are going to be exiting the building, okay? So again, this is going to be a little different today. We'll see how it works, and just like with anything that we try new, we'll reflect on it, and if we need to change things, we can definitely do that. But we just want to make sure, like I said, that we aren't disrupting any learning environments due to the announcements after school, okay? All right, Braves, have a wonderful Monday.